Did you know over 70% of students forget their belongings when rushing, especially their keys and cards? The solution is here. Pocket, a smart, compact holder designed to keep your cards and keys together in one place. Your cards are now quick and easy to access. And yes, it holds your keys too, right where you need them. Its curved edges make it perfectly comfortable to carry. You can even sit or move freely without any discomfort. So comfortable, you can even squat or walk without a feeling a thing in your pocket. Built strong and durable, Pocket easily withstands daily shocks and drops. It's made to last. It's so sturdy, you can even play with it. And here is a hidden feature. It can hold your phone while streaming. What are you watching, Amar? Keep it simple, keep it secure. Just Pocket.